The next erosion type we're going to take a look at is tidal. Now, tidal allows you to specify a sea level as well as a tidal range, so how high up the sea levels will rise and fall with the tides. And it's going to wash out the land in that range and give you the effect of creating beaches. Now, what I'm going to do to really show this off is I'm going to start off by switching at thermal, and we're going to apply a few levels of thermal erosion, mostly because it makes this whole thing look a little bit cooler, but it also adds some nice jagged, noisy areas down here at the base of this plateau. Next, let's jump over to our tidal erosion. We're going to take our sea level and bring this down to 0, which is right at the base of our terrain. But I'm going to take my tidal range and kick it up to 10. And you'll notice we have a nice 3D graphic representation of our base sea level, as well as how high up the tide can go and how low the tide can go. Now, as I apply this, in fact, let me undo that, and you can just watch really closely. You see how it starts to smooth out and wash away that land at the bottom and gives us a nice illusion of beach down there at the base. That's all there is to it. Now, this does look a lot nicer if you've built up several different areas like islands popping up out of a low-level terrain. You can set your sea level all throughout all of your islands, and it will wash out some nice beaches all the way around. Very useful for that. But that's, again, that's very simply all there is to it. That is going to wrap things up for this video. Thank you for watching.